Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a new folder in Google Drive. Google Drive is the storage solution where you can save all your information. So let's get started. Like your desktop in your Windows, you can add to your folder Google Sheets, Google Documents, Scan, Presentation, and so on. In previous video, I taught you how to sign up in Google Drive. You should name your folder so that not to mix up them. To add something in your folder, just tap on the plus in the right corner. And here we can see all the variants. For example, at first the Google document. Next, let's try to add the Google Sheets. Also, you can add the Google presentation. And you can add the scan or anything in your storage. After tapping on the three lines in the right corner, you can see all the buttons. To share, to give the access to other people, add to start, copy link, rename, change color, add shortcut to drive, move to other folder, details and activity, add to home screen, and remove. I hope that this video was so useful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.